This is the machining center of our robot body, and most of the other China robot manufacturers, they would like to outsource the castings to some professional casting factories. But for Kuja has very high standard of casting qualities. So Kuja purchased very expensive CNC machining devices here. It costs about 10 million CNY in total.
所有美好全部 count for ya， 我的爱也全部 count for ya。Baby， 这是我给你的礼物，只想把你藏在我心底。所有美好全部 count for ya， 我的爱也全部 count for ya。Baby， 这是我给你的。
See the casting quality? The casting quality is definitely better than the other China robot manufacturers. So Kuja's robot quality is actually reaching a high level in China market.
我天天都想念着远远的你。